This is me, Linux Gamer Live.
Hello Linux gamers, welcome to another LGL stream. Tonight we are going to be responding to a comment from someone and it didn't make sense to me. I couldn't work out what they're on about. I'm also going to check in on the script from yesterday. I want to make sure it works. I think I know why it broke, so I just want to test the theory there. And then I'm going to play a bit of Windrose. Oi oi cabin! So we'll do a bit of Windrose. I'm going to basically mainly build on it so it's nice and chill so I can get to chat with you guys. I don't want to get into anything a little bit too crazy, you know. And yeah, just ask me anything about my journey. It's going to be a good one, hopefully. I'm kind of semi-set up, so yeah, let's see where we're at. I need to find where you guys are first so I can at least respond to the comments, right? That would be useful, wouldn't it? Oh, I found you. You're over here. What have we got? X. Wait, what? Flixie? Hi, Flixie. Hello. Retro Chavo. Finally make it. I need to move my screen so I can actually read what's going on. Finally, I make it to a stream at the start. Excellent. Nice one. And Flixie wanted to say that too. Boogite, hello, welcome on in. Hello there. I actually did type that earlier, but I forgot to press enter on it. So that's awkward, isn't it? Now, how do I get rid of the starting screen? We just do that, right? That one, I think. That should do it. You should be able to see the game now. If that works, then that's good. Okay, so you can see the game. Good. But we don't want to do the game just yet, do we? What we need to do is go onto this screen here. And I just want to make sure that we've got that one. Haha! There we go. You can see everything that's going on now. But that's not what we wanted. We wanted that one. Open selector. And then we're going to go for that screen. Click OK. There we go. What a mess. Right, okay. Now, as I say at the beginning, I'm pretty sure I know what I screwed up on. So we're going to have a look at that. And then we're going to get into the game. But how are you guys doing? Happy Sunday. Hope you're having a good one. First of all, we need to build out the system. Should I start from scratch? What do you reckon, chat? Should I start from scratch with this build, or should I just test it within the existing build? What do you reckon? I'm just going to go and turn... Oh, wait. Yeah. Go to that one. Just going to turn that down a little bit, because I remember it being quite loud last time. How far behind is the chat now? I'm not too far. Does that still work? Don't think that works anymore. Are we good? Are we live? Yes, we are. Right, okay. No, do you know what? I'm going to delete it. We're going to start again. I think repetition is one of the things that makes me learn. So we're going to do new virtual machine. Let's move that over there. We're going to do Fedora Everything, which is there. And then we are going to go forward. We're going to give it 8 gig rather. 4 CPUs, 50 gigabytes. We're going to call it LGL Fedora CachyOS. I better put kernel on there. Like that. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Oh no, we should be right. We should be right. We should be fine. Yeah, we should be fine. This should be okay. Right, we're going to pop that onto there and do that. Right, don't forget to hit that like button if you're liking what you're seeing. It does help actually. It's surprising how much it helps. So we're going to go through the normal install process, and then we're going to run the script. I'm going to see if I don't think I'll be able to remember it. I might be able to, and then I'll cover off the issue with the comment that confused me completely. So we're going to do English, continue. So we want the American keyboard, US, there we go, pop that one there, add. We're going to put that one to the top. Going to go done. We're going to go to user creation, do the usual. And then done. Select the partition. It's already selected. Done. Begin. So whilst it's doing that, we're going to have a look at the comment. In fact, we're not going to have a look at the comment. Basically, oops, I want to do that. I wanted to do that. I'm going to go to my GitHub. Gonna put it in random stuff. So basically, I'm going to have to look at the comment, aren't I? There's no way I can get out of not looking at the comment. So we're going to go and have a look at the comment. Let's see if we can find it. Right, here we go. So it's on this video. I asked, and then it's this one here, look. So basically some kind of, I don't want to say hating on it, but yeah, I still hate it and went back to Windows. That's fair enough. That's cool. But then they go on to talk about how Windows, you don't have to be online. You can build it all from a disk. And I'm like, well, you can do the same on Linux, right? And I said, in fact, you can actually build your own repository offline, so you can have everything offline. And they took it to be, well, you need to have the full body of Linux, which is about 500 gigs, which is fine. You could do that. You could download the whole repository and have it locally. And yeah, so it was very interesting. But then I went on to go and say, well, actually, you need, if you get like a Fedora games ISO. So Fedora Labs create ISOs with different contexts. So you can have like a scientific one. You can have one that's dedicated to Python and scripting. You've got one that's dedicated to games, and another one dedicated to design studios and that sort of thing. And you can basically download 2 ISOs from Fedora, and it will give you everything for Design Suite and everything for games. So I went off and had a look and thought, you know what, I'm going to get ChatGPT to help me sort of understand what it is. And we came up with this, well, I came up with the with a scenario. And basically the scenario is the global internet is offline, infrastructure has failed, mirrors are unreachable, package servers cannot be contacted, there is no external network to depend on, you're in a garage with a working PC and a small generator, you have 2 USB sticks, you have the Fedora Games Lab, and that's got 7 gigs worth of data on it, which is already on the machine, and then you've got Fedora Design Suite. My thought was, well, actually, what if I wanted to do both? What if I wanted to do the games and the design? And the bit I explored was, well, can we use the design suite bootable USB as a repo? And the answer is, we think we can. So I'm going to test it. Basically, you just redirect the repo to this USB. So we're going to test that at some point. But anyway, so then my retort back was, well, let's see if we can do that on Windows. And I don't think you can, because it's the way that repositories are built for Linux, you know. Hey, Zero Linux, welcome on in. Good to see you. Have one of those. Linux Game Live sent you a new ISO, and you got a shout out in launch video, which is uploading. Oh, nice. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. So we're going to reboot. The Lord of Gaming. Hello. You're green as well. I think you got gifted a sub, didn't you? Gifted a membership. That's one for you as well, because you're green. But we're going to reboot. I think I know why the script didn't work, Zero Linux. I'm pretty sure I know why now. So we're going to go through it one more time. And then see if I was right. Someone gifted. I know, right? How lucky are you? Right, so we're here. Right, I'm going to skip this track because I've heard it quite a lot today. Moji baked! I might have come in late and missed some context, but that comment didn't appear to be comparing like for like. I know, yeah, I know, you're right. I'm not quite sure what he was on about. Maybe you can help me understand. LGL, and then put in my password. I'm fairly sure I know why it didn't work, right? So we're going to go curl. I can't remember I can't remember the switches. I know there was an F. I know there was an S and there was an L. But which one's which? I'm going to have to go and look it up now. Oh, actually, I am on GitHub already, wasn't I? Yeah, so we'll go and have a look. Go into random stuff. Is it in this one? No. Where did I put it? Oh, it's there. So it's small f, small s. Fuck's sake. I remember that now. Fuck's sake. So it's small f, s, sl. Thank you very much. HTTPS tinyurl.com/LGL Fedora CachyOS, and then it's pipe bash, no, sudo bash. Right, now it's going to ask me for my credentials. Yeah, I know what I'm fairly sure I know why it didn't work. I think it didn't work because I was in root and the script tries to create stuff in the user folder. I think. Could I be right? Hayden, hello. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Have some fireworks. So I reckon this is just going to work now. And then I don't have to update the instructions. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I've got, as I say, if I've got a PC in the garage and it's got like a base Fedora build on it with all of the games catalog on it, or even if I just had 2 USBs with just the ISOs on it, I could get a fully working system Mightiest, yo bro, install some icon packs, night and day difference. Oh dear. People coming here telling me what to do, they just don't understand, do they? Nice to see you, mate. How you doing? Well, you are running at a sudo, so you got to get the user and copy to that. Yeah, but I'm logged in as that user. I don't know if it'll help you memorize the switches, but F fail silently on errors, S is silent, not progress, etc. S show errors and override silent for errors, and L is location or follow redirects. Yeah. I think I probably won't memorize that. wget URL I can remember. Change it to an executable I can remember. Oh, switches, I really struggle with switches. I've always struggled with switches. Always. Or flags, is it? That's what they're called. Nice to copy and paste. Bit hard to do on the VM, dude. But I get what you mean. Copy and paste, yeah. The thing is though, I do like typing it out because it will go in better. Fizzle. Yeah, but it's remembering the case, isn't it? Remembering the case is always the challenge. Like this track. Theo, hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. I have a memory of a goldfish. I have to check the Arch Linux wiki whenever I need to do almost everything with Pac-Man. Yeah. I can remember some of the switches in Pac-Man, but not all of them. Hood, hello there, welcome on in. Just wait until someone gives LGL an awkward script. An AW, oh wait, what? I don't know what that is. I don't accept scripts from strangers. Hayden, oh, the page. Yeah, I can't help with that. Hood, we should comment in the regex. Oh no, don't do that. Well, would that be good for the algorithm? If it's going to work for the algorithm, do what you want. Zero Links, I'm trying to think of other things right now as war has ignited in Dubai where my little brother, oh mate, oh Jesus, we don't think about those sorts of things, do we? Well, try not to think about it. I know it's hard for me, it's easy for me to say, just try not to think about it. And yeah, hang out here. Gonna be chill. You can watch me build a base in Windrose and forget all about it. But I hope it's okay, dude. Excellent. As yeah, that's good. Think it's hit. Is it? Would it have been here where it messed up? Maybe. No. I don't know now. There we go. Don't forget to like. Thank you very much. Although it doesn't. It's not showing that you've liked. It only shows that I like. I use the like button as a reference that I've watched, that I've seen it. Oh, maybe just because I can't see it. Hang on. Is it because I can't see it? Is it in here? No. Over here. I can't see what's going on. We'll move that across to there. Why is that not letting me go? Oh, that's so annoying. We'll go back to here. I'm going to sneeze. I know it went to plan, right? But what it what I've been doing is I've been downloading the script. So I'll do this, like the basic install, and go through Anaconda, put in all the credentials, partition, all that sort of stuff, and then end up on TTY. And what I normally do is wget the file and download it locally. Change it, chmod it to execute, and then execute it. But then MZ said use the curl, because I've put in the script that you can use curl. So I used the curl. So I used, because I didn't have wget installed, right? So I went to install, I did sudo dnf install wget, and everyone, it wasn't just MZ, it was everyone saying, oh, use curl, use curl. So I used curl, and I got to a certain point. Oh, it's here. No, see, I've used curl and it's got to here and it's broken again. So I've got no idea why it's getting to this point here and then breaking. There's nothing in the script that's given the clue. So we'll go into here, look. So it's just after the Flatpak stuff. So I'll get down to Flatpak. So it's doing all this stuff here. Section Flatpak. So it does this, but it's only on curl, right? So if I use the curl script, it breaks. Don says, yo, might not be watching at the moment, but just here to give you some watch stuff. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. Appreciate that a lot. You know it. Yeah, so it's broken again. So the only way I can get it to work is to go wget, which might be installed now because it's one of the first things I install. HTTP, actually we can just cheat, can't we? We can just go like that. Saves me typing it all in again. So I'll just wget it. So basically what's going on, Lord of Gaming, is I'm doing a very base install of Fedora, similar to what happens when you install Arch. You end up on what's called TTY, right, which is the shell, I guess. I'm doing the same thing but with Fedora, and I've created the script that installs all of the things that I want it to install. So it installs the desktop environment, it installs some tools that I like to use, fast fetch, all that sort of stuff, some of the gaming tools, some of the Flatpaks I like to use, Python, pipex, but it's also installed in the CachyOS kernel as well. And when I run it against, or when I try to install it using curl, it doesn't work. It gets to this point and fails. But when I download the script and run it locally, it works fine. So it's the same not quite the same as what CachyOS does. No, because I'm doing it manually, you see. So it's Fedora, but with the CachyOS kernel. Yes, Phil, that's what it is. Exactly that. Now I must remember when I reboot to go in and turn off secure boot, because otherwise it'll break it again. Now, thanks to Strawberry Kitten for finding that one out or sharing that one with us yesterday. Because I really like Fedora, as you all know, and I really like DNF, and I like the package manager, and it's what I've learned for the last 9 months. I have no interest in going anywhere else just yet, although I do like messing around with other distros, as you all know. But I'm quite comfortable with Fedora, and I hear a lot about how the CachyOS kernel is supposed to be like really, really good, and I am actually using it on my main machine. But have I noticed I don't know if I have noticed a difference or not. The test will be when I go back. So I'm going to keep using the CachyOS kernel until Fedora 44, or just before Fedora 44. In fact, until Fedora 44. And then I'm not going to install Fedora 44 straight away. I'm going to switch back to the Fedora kernel and see if I can feel the difference. Oh, it does work. All you would need to do, Lord of Gaming, is download the Fedora Everything kernel and then go onto my GitHub and grab the script, look through the script, make sure it's got the stuff on there that you want to use. If I show you here, look, it's quite simple. There's a lot of guff at the front which sets things like all the colors and stuff like that, and it sets it so it runs everything in sudo. But then once you've done that, it basically does an upgrade, which I don't think I need to do, but it does. Then it installs some things like curl, wget, git. It doesn't need to do curl because it's already installed, so I can take that out actually. And then it enables the repos, so RPM Fusion, free and non-free. Then it does another upgrade. That's good. I need to take that out as well. Then it does some codec stuff. Then it installs the desktop environment. Then it sets the login manager. Then it installs Python, pipex, and some other CLI tools like TLDR and YTDLP. Then it does the multimedia stuff and codecs, more codecs. Then it does the AMD stuff. So if you're not on AMD, then you just need to take that section out, or just like comment it out. And it does flat packs that I want to use. Again, you can just take that stuff out. It does Steam, OBS, Lutris, and Mango HUD. Then it does virtualization, which I use and love. Again, you can take all that out. Take that section out if you don't want that. And then it installs the CachyOS kernel. And then it does some tweaks. Sets the graphical target. So when you log in, it goes graphical rather than TTY. Then it cleans stuff up. But again, as always, use at your own risk. Frank Jensen. Hello, Frank. Welcome on in. That would be pretty awesome. I have a hard time choosing between CachyOS and Fedora. I love Fedora with Cachy kernel. It would be the best of both worlds, I think. Yeah, it seems to be working all right, but I can't notice the difference. I'm kind of really hoping that when I go back to the Fedora kernel in a few weeks or a month or whatever it is before Fedora 44, I don't even know when it's coming out, that I notice a difference, but I don't know if I'm going to. Vil says, so I assume that while CachyOS is using rolling release, using only the kernel doesn't cause the issues in non-rolling release like Fedora. So yeah, pretty much. Agent Prime says, eventually I want to try out Fedora, but for now I'm still playing and learning with NixOS. Well, yeah, Fedora is going to be easy for you if you're running NixOS, dude. You won't have any problems with Fedora. Just to get comfortable. Sorry if there's any noise. Oh wait, yes. So it's now doing virtualization. So this section here is installing the CachyOS kernel. So it's adding the repo, installing the kernel. Oh no, I think it's already added the repo. Now it's installing the kernel and some of the dependencies. And I think it does the tools as well. Yeah, I know Moj Bake, but I've got to try it, you know. I've got to feel it for myself. Feel if there's a difference, which is why I'm totally sticking with oops. Totally sticking with the CachyOS kernel for now. I want to feel the difference if there is one. But you're saying, I know I said this before, but the Cachy kernel tunables will not perform magic. You're often within a margin of run-to-run variance with benches. Yeah, that's it. I've got to. You know me by now, right? I've got to find my own way. Otherwise, I get lost. If I follow somebody else's journey, then I'm just going to get lost. Oops. There we go. Right, where are we? Are we there yet? Still doing something. Sorted out grub. Right, I must reboot. I must reboot. Yes. No, I didn't auto install those. Maybe I should turn it all off. So you have to type yes for everything. Because then you go, oh no, I don't want to do virtualization. No. Oops, didn't want to do that. Shit. There we go. We are done. Right, reboot. Go into BIOS. 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 Wait, what? That's not going to work. Where's the BIOS bit? So we're going into Fedora kernel first. And then we're going to go shutdown. And then we're going to go play. Why can't I go into the BIOS? Do you know why? Because I'm an idiot. This is legacy BIOS. Forgot to set it up at the beginning. That's because I'm an idiot. That's why. If you go and have a look, watch. BIOS, not UEFI. Oh! No! And I can't change it either. I should be able to go into BIOS though, right? Surely. I'll just do restart and we'll just go straight into this. This will work because I'm in legacy BIOS, which has not got secure boot on it, right? If I was in UEFI now, that would fail. Send them to the Windows mines. I mean, I could redo it again, but it's boring for you. I know it's really nice to see distros being installed. It's quite soothing, but because I've done KDE myself, this is an interesting question for those that know. Because I've installed KDE manually myself, it doesn't give you the same welcome center. I don't get the button to install the third-party repos or RPM Fusion. Is that because they're already installed? Because obviously I install it before we get here. Does it do some kind of check to go, oh, the repos? No, because it would say disable. So there's something with the manual install which doesn't add the section to enable third-party repos or disable third-party repos. So so what do we do then? Do we do it again, or do we just accept the fact that because the curl script is not working for some reason? Okay, here's a question then, Mojibate or Zero. How do I download the file using curl? So rather than run it from curl, yeah, RPM is installed, yeah, because it's done it through the script. I think the -F flag in curl might be hiding the error. Ah. Okay. Yeah, I can show. Oh no, because Steam's already installed. Yeah, so if Steam's installed, then you know RPM Fusion is there. Look. There you go. Steam's already installed, so you know RPM Fusion is enabled. Otherwise, it wouldn't do that. Curl runs from temp. Citizen Sudo, welcome on in again. Good to see you. How you doing? So can you use curl just to download it then, rather than actually run it? As in, like, can you download it and stick it in your local directory? Yeah, you have. You're not getting it at 0. wget is not installed by standard. You're both not getting it. wget is not installed by with Fedora Everything as standard. So either I add a line here. So what? Look. So at the moment, if I go to the instructions, we've got 2 options. 1, run it from curl. Or 2, install wget and then use wget. So my question is, can you use curl to download it locally and then do that? Living the dream, finish work and cooking dinner whilst listening to you. Oh, perfect. There you go. I don't know about the listening to me bit though. I don't know how you can do that. Use the O switch. So I haven't installed a browser. Right, so we're going to go curl -o https tinyurl.com / yeah, that does work, Hayden. Absolutely. Well, curl is already installed. That's why I'm trying to get this one to work, because then I don't have to add anything at the beginning to install. I'm trying to get curl to work. So it'd be, oh no, that'd be that. LGL Fedora CachyOS. Do you mean no URL specified? There's a URL right there. Well, at least that's working. So if I just put the O after the URL. You're getting too complicated now. I just want the ability to download it locally to run it. Or do it as I do it in its script with it will install dependencies like wget when the script. But what you got to remember is that you've just landed in TTY. So you've got the ISO from Fedora, right? So you've got the Fedora Everything ISO, and you've gone through the process of setting up through Anaconda, and you've done your username, you've done your password, you've done your keyboard, your language, and where you were installing it. It's gone through all of that process, and you're now in TTY. So I don't understand how I still have to get the script, wouldn't I? Do you get me? Hang on, let me just go. Let's go full on help. So it should be doing it then. Oh, capital O might work. There we go. It's capital O. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. It's capital O. Capital O. Capital O. Let's go. So we're gonna. So I still don't know why that one's not working. That's what I'm doing, Zero Linux. That's what this script is, isn't it? Yeah. So I've done the yeah. Ah, right. Okay. Gotcha. Right. Okay, that makes sense now. So I've done that. So when I run curl and then run the script, which I'm guessing is an init script. I'd rather do it now, dude. Not over VC though. Because if you look at my script, right, it does what you're saying to do. Does it here? Look, very first thing it does is install curl wget git dnf plugins core. So I don't understand what you're saying. I don't know what running your script will do that's different than running this script. I just need to run it, and it's the curl bit that's broken, right? So maybe if I run it, so if I do this, right? Okay, so let's do this. Curl minus. I'm just going to do curl HTTPS, and I'm just going to change the resolution because that's not nice. That might look all right on the screen though. We're going to go to that one. Keep. No. HTTPS tiny URL. Give me some breadcrumbs, not just tell me how to do it. You should know that. And then LGL Fedora CachyOS, and then it's not getting lost. I can see all the typing. Well, that hasn't worked, has it? It's not outputting it this time, is it? Is that what's going on? So what are those switches again? So don't put F in it, but we will do SL. There we go. Let's see what errors. My Mac is getting really hot. So the small f is going to fail. And tell us why it's failing, yeah? Is that right? Ah, we found it. Thank you very much, Moji Baked. We found it. It's LibreOffice. Although it has stopped there as well now. Oh dear. What's the switches? So fail fast with no output on HTTP errors. Small s, silent mode. Where's the capital S one then? It's not telling me what the capital S does. And it's not telling me what the O does, the L does. Oh, we could do -V. I don't know what those two do then. We'll do V. Oh, that's just outputting it. Wait, what? So it must be the SL. V. But is it failing when it gets to LibreOffice? No, it's not stopping. It's still carrying on, isn't it? Yes. It's crashing there now. Right, so what is the LibreOffice thing then? What? So can we do... Is it search? Where's search? Is it just search for Flatpak? Search. We'll do Flatpak. Search. Libra. What's going on? What's going on? So it is org LibreOffice. No remote chosen resolve matches. LibreOffice. LibreOffice. Yeah, it seems to be. So I'll ask a simple question then, Zero, right? What is the difference? Once I'm on TTY, right, I've installed Fedora. What's the difference between me running your script and my script? Oh. Ah, okay. Oh, okay, so it's taking... Oh, that's interesting. So what we're going to do... So how do I tell it to pick 0 then? How to pick 1? Take out the true. Dumb. No. think we're there. Ah, it's just stopped now. So how do I get it to choose that then? I thought if I took out the Y that it would stop and ask me and then I could put in the number. But it's only doing it. Oh, I see. It's only doing it on the curl script though, and it's because it's erroring. It's failing, isn't it? So it's stopping because it's failing. I didn't need to change that. I didn't need to do that at all, did I? Oops, hit enter too early, but yeah, specify flat hub in the install command. Make that partial. Oh, yeah. Oops. That's the error. We found it. ls Yeah, but where would you put that script though? I don't know where you're launching that script from, dude. That's the bit I'm struggling to get my head around. Because I think what you're talking about happens before you even get to TTY. Oh no. Yeah, no, yeah. Because when I do the arch. Wait, what? Why has that not worked again? I don't think that's refreshed yet. So when you do the arch one, like you run the arch script, arch isn't installed yet. So you're doing everything in your script before you get to the point where you're at TTY for your install. Whereas with Fedora, I'm doing all that network connectivity stuff and the creating of account. I'm not doing that through a script. I'm doing that through Anaconda. So all the stuff that you're doing with your init script is happening before, whereas what I'm doing here is happening after. You get me? I did add that, didn't I? Did I add it, or have I screwed it up again? So that's there, right? Okay, that's there. It might not have refreshed the tiny URL, I don't know. Let me just get HTTPS tiny url.com what's this LGL dash Fedora dash CachyOS and then go nano control. Wait, what? No. X nano. Make sure it's the right one. So it's getting the right one then. I know why now. It's because it's already installed. I bet it's because it's already installed. What do you reckon? I knew it. I knew it. Total pro now. That's it. I'm pro. Oh, damn it. It crashed again. That's fine. It's fine. Oh, wait. Hang on. Is this gonna... I'm getting this to work. God, is that the time already? Come on. Got them numbers appearing at the end there, look. Why is it doing that? Alright, well, we're getting rid of the coal. We're getting rid of it. You're going to have to install... run script locally. That's fine. Commit. Go up to there. I'm going to go edit. I'm going to go download and run script locally. We're just going to test that. So we're going to uninstall list, and then we're going to go chmod x lgl, and then sudo lgl. I think we're there now. It'd be nice to know why it's doing that, and maybe I will catch up with you off stream. Yeah, so that works fine. I don't understand why it's not working from using curl. I think we're there. I think we've done it. So you just have to take one extra step at the moment. The extra step is to install wget first. Which means... Oh no, I'm going to leave it in there. It doesn't matter if it stays in there, right? I'll leave it in there. I'm going to take out the line that says... I put that on there yesterday. Right, okay. Awesome. I think we're done. So the next stage is for me to build out the golden build. So we'll do that at some point. So let's just shut that down. I think I've not done anything on here, have I? That's outside of the script. So this is like a, let's call it a virgin build using my script. Right? Although it's got a load of... Do you know what? Let's shut this down. I want it to be completely clean. I'm not going to rebuild it now. But what I am going to do is delete it. And we'll rebuild it so it's nice and clean. Nice. Perfect. Right. Okay. Now what? Game. Can't remember which screen it is. That one. There we go. Have we lost chat? Or you've just gone quiet? Oh no, there you go. What are we installing now? Hi there. I think there was a bit of a lag on the old chat. I need to bring the chat up here. Hang on. Bear with. I think I know what's going on. So we'll do that. You should still see the game. And I should be able to see the chat. Yeah, I'm here. Thank you, mate. So hang on. Oh my God, there's so much chat that's come in that I've not seen. What are you? So I was basically installing Fedora, but with the CachyOS kernel. I'm mixing it all up now. Nice. Bad Wolf, hello, welcome on in. Yeah, I see that part. Looks like LGL is packing CachyOS kernel into a Fedora build. Yeah, absolutely that. Yeah, I'm here for you. Always a pleasure to help. Thanks, dude. Frank and Jensen, hello. How you doing? I'm testing Fedora 44 beta on one of my older Xeon workstation. It uses uses kernel 6.19.2. It's very fast. Being a beta, bugs may occur, but so far it's buttery smooth. Nice. That's the same. Well, I say it's the same kernel. It's the same kernel version as the CachyOS one I'm running right now on this machine. I think the issue with curl is that it doesn't retry and wget does. Okay. I will put a post about it in the chat. And Zero Linux, I do appreciate you, dude. Absolutely. But if I get on a call with you, that will be the whole stream. Because I just love talking through this shit and it would completely distract me. I'll make a Discord post about it later. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, dude. Yeah, and we'll have a talk about it at some point, Zero. I think we're at different points in the installation. That's what's confusing me. So am I, dude. And yeah. You know what it's like, you know, from last time. Right, let's do it. Who are Captain? So has anyone else played this? I just feel like a chill building night tonight. Nothing confusing. Arch boot is TTY too. Yeah, but Arch, when you get to TTY on Arch, it's not installed anything yet. When I get to TTY on Fedora, it's installed everything except the stuff I've told it not to. That's the difference, dude. Right? When you get to TTY on Arch and run your script, you've got to set everything up. You've got to set up where it's going to install. You've got to set up your username. You've got to set up all these things. So that's what your script's running. When you get to TTY on mine, all that stuff has already been done through Anaconda. That's the difference. Right. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, I need just get resources, I think. We'll do that. We'll just get resources. Chop down some trees. We don't need these trees, do we? No, I'm not confused about that at all, dude. I understand. My point is we are both at different points of the install part. Vajo getting smooth FPS even on this OS. What, you are? Or are you saying that I am? Big Wolf says, nah, I'm still lost in Faerun BG3. Oh, okay, since release, but I do hop into Vane sometimes. Oh, okay. Yeah, it runs pretty smooth with without the Cashew one. Okay, mate. Yeah, no worries. But I'm right. I know I'm right. We're in different places. Get some. Oh, I need to eat. I need to eat. Oh, I need food. I might have to go hunting. Right, okay, so I'll do that. I might need to go to the mine as well, actually. Yeah, so Vio, I'm using the CachyOS script on here. Sorry, CachyOS kernel. But it's not really making any difference to the FPS. I've not been into pirates and such. This one seems okay though. That's still in demo. Yeah, this is a demo at the moment. So me and my friend completed the demo yesterday. Very much looking forward to it. But I wanted to explore the build, the building bit in here. So I like building in these types of games, as you saw from June Awakening. LGL, any idea who most of your audience is? Recent Linux converts, long-term converts, or just looking curious mind? I think it's probably all three, to be honest. I've got people who really know what they're talking about. People who are learning. People who are exploring. Oh my god, Moji Baked, what are you doing? It wouldn't have happened with me. You're probably right, actually. I do quite like the simplicity of BSD, you know. Well, I say simplicity, it's not simple, but once you know it, I guess it would be. I've a lot to learn on that one though, but I'm just talking about like first impressions. So Ahud, I don't know, to be honest. I could do a poll, couldn't I? I mean, since I started playing the game, I've lost a few people, so I'm expecting it's people that like the shell. They see the shell and join in. But now I'm playing a game, it'll probably quieten down a bit. I still get to chat to you lot, so that's nice. And he has a long-term Linux user who still learns. I don't think any of us would ever be true gurus, no matter how long. Yeah, actually, and I think that's what I love about it, to be honest as well. Bad Wolf, is that there's always something to learn. Retro, I'm still here. I've been here the whole time, just also playing a game myself. So now typing much. Oh, not typing much. Brilliant. Thank you, dude. Appreciate that. What game are you playing? Did you say you were playing Baldur's Gate? Oh no, who was playing Baldur's Gate? I'm getting confused now. Valjo says you have such a good ASMR voice as a bonus for all. Oh, really? I can't stand my voice. But thank you. Oh, I love The Division. That's on sale at the moment as well. I played The Division for 2.5 years non-stop every day. Oh, Bad Wolves playing Baldur's Gate. There we go. I knew someone was. See, look, this just demonstrates my memory, doesn't it? Or lack of it. Frank says, I've been on and off Linux since the 90s. Somehow I always end up on Fedora. Yeah, it's nice. I quite like it. I've enjoyed it so far. Right, so we're going to go and put this wood in the base. Is it this one? That can go in there. Got plenty of wood. We need to go and get some food. And get some food. Retro Travo. Oh, well, I've been on and off for about a year. I come back just to randomly do a few missions, and a week or two later do it again. Yeah, no, it's literally it took over my life so much. Every Saturday morning at 11 o'clock, me and my mate would meet up, go through, do all the legendary missions, get all the exotic caches, do all of the stuff that we needed to do. Need some food, give me some food. Oh, I've got banana milk, I don't need food. I went for the ultimate debloat. Now I just whisper ones and zeros directly into my CPU. Nice. Veljo says you did one video about BF6 and how you tried it out with some remote solution, and I watched it so many times, easy to follow along. Oh, brilliant, thank you. Yeah, that's one of the things I've learned actually with doing these videos is, like before, I used to try and do things that I thought other people might like, and I rarely got it right. But now I just do the stuff that I like, and other people either enjoy it or they don't, and I'm okay with that now. It's a very, very different approach. Yeah, we'll go and get some iron, I think. Major Bake says, I played Div 1 with friends. That first raid, the sniper shotgun is still... Oh, yeah. Hang on, no. Is that was there raids on Div 1? I don't think there's any raids on Division 1. Oh, unless you're talking about the... Oh, what are they called? Signal, something Signal is one of them, isn't it? And then there's another one. Oh, I know what you mean. Yeah, I know what you mean. Have we gone the wrong way? It's here, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. But I just installed Windows. This is great. This is really good. This game. This is basically Valheim, but with pirates. Oh no! If you like Valheim, you're gonna love this. This is Valheim with pirates. It's as simple as that, and a lot less grindy. I used to be hooked on 7 Days to Die. Played it since Alpha 4, but got tired of all their BS problems. Yeah, same here actually. They changed it so much. I've got 600-700 hours in 7 days, I think, maybe. Yeah, first raid was where the truck thing, where you spent the entire time sat in a tunnel, popping your head out and getting blasted by a shotgunner in a bus. That's what it looks like. Yeah, no, it's great. It really is. I don't know how loud that is. That might be quite loud, actually. If it's loud for me, it's going to be loud for you, right? I quite like the survival mode, to be honest, in Division 1, the DLC. I'm reluctant to play Ubisoft games on stream, just out of principle. Dude, thank you very much. The way things are, you are my balancing. Oh, brilliant. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Don't have to do that, though. Cheers, dude. Oh, come on. Break. There we go. Well, it runs buttery smooth, doesn't it? As, who was it saying it a minute ago? Bearing in mind, I'm streaming as well. Wait, what? Why am I seeing stuff? Oh, Bad Wolf. The Fun Pimps removed all the survival aspects, basically, and then even brought in Mummy That Spits Bees. Oh, yeah. I used to like the dark. Yeah, I used to like the Dark Zone. I had 4 characters, and I had them all at different stages of. Oh, hang on, am I full already? Holy shit! I'll get rid of you. No, I'll get rid of you. There you go. And we'll get rid of you too. Yeah. That's the way. That was the way. I could do with this stone, actually. I've got, how much stone have I got? 28, so we can get some more. Is it 40 is the max yet? Okay, let's go. Let's go and put this on the cooker. And then might need to rethink this whole gaming thing, you know. There's my ship. Should we go and jump in the ship? I don't want to spoil it for you though. Get in that ship in the demo is the best part of the game. Bad Wolf just caught that glimpse of that. Lunch is over. Back to the grind. Late LGL and all. Thank you so much, dude. Appreciate it. Yes, let's talk some more Division 1 next time. Valjo says, my biggest achievement were making Tetris game with local language model, and I felt like some coder despite it. So beginner level thing. Nice one. Oh, I need to get rid of that light 5 because it's running out. But that was the point. I saw how useful local I can be if I prompt right. There you go. Yeah. Hello, MZ. How you doing? Good to see you, dude. Welcome back. I really want to get on the ship, but I'm not going to. So I don't want to ruin it. Now, the problem I'm having here is... Oh, actually, I need to do the... busy weekend as well. Good. Retro Travis, can you host a dedicated private server on Windows in the demo or no? No, you can run it locally on your machine, so you can host it and someone else can join it. So my friend was hosting it and I was joining him. But Nodecraft, who I am a partner with, will be providing hosting services. And as soon as they do, I will be straight there. Definitely be straight there building a dedicated server. Smitty, hello. I'll check this out. Ahar, me mateys. Hello, Smitty. How are you? I'm not going to do that again. So Intel hardware has the best compatibility with Linux almost out of the box. I don't know. AMD seems to be working pretty well. Look at that sunset. Oh no, see, I'm getting Pirate Penguin. Yay, I know, right? We need to go all the way around here because I've gone the wrong way, and we need to pop the... just going to do that. And then we're going to grab the... pop you in there. And we're going to grab you and you. And we're going to pop you in there as well. There we go. Where's all the stone gone? Only got 40 stone on me. Wait, what? Intel has been pretty good, and until they started making their own GPUs, it was always a blue-green build, which gave more issues than solved, you know. Retro, I have an old Intel Tiny PC in my garage that I host a bunch of dedicated servers on. That's why I wondered. Ah, okay. Steam page doesn't seem to have a release date. Yeah, no, it doesn't. It's really interesting that they're not telling us anything. I do need to eat something, so we'll just pop you there. Or just do that for now. Right, so we are going to start building, but I don't know how to do it yet. So we're going to go floors and walls. Large block of stones or a block made of small stones. So we can only... Right, I'm going to need to bring the fire over, aren't I? I think. Many get issues with Wi-Fi, but my laptop, despite its old, works instantly. But I didn't need any proprietary drivers. Nice. I've got a laptop, but it's a Mac. So I think I'm going to have to pop this over here somewhere, so we get a little bit more. Do you mean not enough resources? Got loads of wood. What are you talking about? We'll stick it there. Stick it there. Retro says, glad to see this supports 32.9 ultra wide out of the box. Yeah, what it doesn't do, it doesn't support me playing it in 16:9 on my ultra wide machine, ultra wide screen. Other games do it flawlessly. This one doesn't. It looks like the Steam dev page, QQ and Bilibili linkage, dev team might be Chinese, which is fine, but wouldn't bet on easy to get self-hosting. No, it's self-hosting. You might be right, actually, MZ, but it is supported. It's going to be supported by Nodecraft. That much I do know. In fact, I don't even know if I'm supposed to tell you that or not. Oops. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine, right? We want to do floors and walls. We want to do that. So if we go like that, so there is kind of like a grid. That's cool. I quite like that build. That's quite cool, isn't it? I mean, one would hope that when they flesh out the resolution options before launch, yeah, that might work actually. That's a DKP minus. DKP minus, what's that then? Shrugs. Oops. I mean, you told us your server sponsor was getting. I didn't say that at all. What you got no evidence. Oh, that's why. Right, okay. Oh, that makes sense. It's not letting me put it in there. What? More dots. Roll back stream 12 minutes. Oops. There we go. Well, that's interesting. Ah, okay. That's a little bit finicky. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Oh wow, that's cool. Oh yeah. That's so neat. Look at that as a build mechanic. Chat's going off. Chat's going off. Hang on. If I do that, and do that. Wait. Let's see all. Shrugs. Oops. More dots. More back to stream. That's why I love Fedora. My old workstation with a 14-year-old Xeon worked very well on Fedora. But if I remember correctly, Fedora Red Hat is better optimized for Intel. Well, am I right? I don't know, to be honest. The power of the Zoop. Zero is having a pint of Guinness. Cheers, my friend, with some Lebanese halawa. Awesome. So does Flatpak or Snap gives more freedom? No, I wouldn't say it gives more freedom. It gives you more choice, I think, but I wouldn't necessarily say more freedom. I'm very select. Oh, I haven't got enough resources. I've run out of stone. What the hell? I need to go and get some more stone. Okay, we'll go and get some more stone then. Can't get that. Where do I get stone from? I'm quite selective about what I install with Flatpak. I don't install much. Yeah, I tend to prefer native, but I mean browsers I'll always use Flatpak for, so it's in its own little sandbox. Which kind of makes sense to me, my brain. Get all this rock, yeah? You know, that makes sense. Yeah, I tried. Somebody said something to me about Snap. Oh no, we're talking about Kubuntu, and now Kubuntu forces Snap on you. Oh, I'm not having this, so I went into the install and removed Snap and set it up for Fedora, just to see if I could, and you can. And that's what I like about Linux, is that freedom it gives you to basically build what you want, based on your needs, right? I've learned a lot about that. Yeah, I went in and made it not use Snap, dude. It was funny. Somebody tells you can't do that, then I want to go and find out for myself. I had issues with Snap Browser and ID card compatibility, so purged all of these managers. Somebody, any recommendations on system monitoring tools? I just used the built-in KDE one, dude. Piers, hello mate. How you doing? Welcome on in. That's why I would never use Ubuntu, or one of the reasons. If I was to go down that route, it would be Debian. Mr. Flatpak, yeah. Well, you saw how many Flatpaks I installed. Well, maybe you didn't, but I think there's 6. LibreOffice. Proton Qt, Proton Plus, Firefox, if I was using Firefox. Oh, that's full now. Let's get rid of you. Oh yeah, BTOP's cool. Yeah. Yeah, if you want, yeah, I think it was Mojibate. You recommended BTOP, didn't you? To me, and I did get quite excited about it. I'm not going to lie. Right, there's no light at the moment because my torches run out. I can get some more stone. Some there, isn't it? There we go, right. Let's get out of here. Let's skedaddle. Right, so we've got plenty of stone now. Uh-oh. Should we have a fight? I'm probably going to die now. He hurts. He hurts a lot. Got him. B-top, B-top. You already can see the sensors in KDE. B-top, N-top, all general same, prettier than others. Scribble noises. I'm writing stuff down. I'm waiting in the car for the wifey. Oh, right, okay. Alright, so this is rising up now, so we need to do something about that, don't we? Can we put stuff underneath? Oh, I don't think we can. Well, that's not ideal, is it? It doesn't. You can't lock it underneath. Huh. That's right. We can hide it with stairs, can't we? Surely. We better find that out actually now before we go any further. So we go stairs and fences, and then we'll do that. Oh, so let me put that underneath. That works. KDE system. Yeah, I've got the. I have the CPU down in the bottom right on my screen. So temperature and how much it's using. But no, I use this built-in system monitor for KDE. It's pretty good. Does what I need it to do. It's very task manager-esque, so it's kind of what I'm used to. Can you copy block? No. Okay. Floors and walls. Yeah, it's a little bit clunky. It's such a cool game. I've not been excited about a game coming out for a long time, but I'm looking forward to this one. Right, so this is. I don't know what this is going to be yet. I'm building it, but I've got no idea what it's going to be. What do you reckon it should be? It's a little bit annoying that I can't put blocks underneath. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to handle that. Stairwell to H.L.G. Heaven. Full of beers, nice ladies. Who are me hearties? So we just do that. And then we're going to do that. And that, and we're going to do that, and then we're going to do that, 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 and then we're going to put some stairs here. Grab some stairs, which are where? Here is it? Here they are. And what size doors are there? We've got doors. Doors. Wait, what? Is that a door? That's a window. That's a door. Double door. Window. We're going to have a single door. Oh, that's a nice door. So new build rising, indeed. Welcome on in. Welcome to my home. I wonder. Nope. Don't want to do that. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. I'm not going to get too invested in this because they I'll have to start again, won't I? I expect. Do I want to do that? No, maybe we'll go all the way to the end, and then we do that. And then we'll carry on here like this. There we go. Sounds like my boat is breathing. Not enough resources. We're out of stones again. Is it me or can you hear that? Door is all you need to secure the home. I know, right? That's it. I'm secure now. No one can get in here. Smee says, I've fallen in love with Octopi. Is there anything else I can use that is like that? I don't think so. I don't know, actually. Now, I have made a bit of a boo-boo in that there's 3 there. And there's 3 there, so I need to build another wall here. Oh, got another stone. Right, let me go and empty some stuff out. I'm going to have to get on the boat, I'm afraid. So we're going to go and put the... and do that. And then we're going to put that. Which that doesn't go in there, does it? It goes in over here. Coconut. That can go in there. That can go in there. They can go in there. We'll take the bananas with us so we've got some food. I don't think I need the bottle of rum. The stone goes in that one. No, it doesn't. The stone goes in the one over here. That's why we've run out. I'm going to go to another island. Grab some resources. Octopi is pretty good for just Pac-Man, but Discover has a little bit more doing it on with the Flatpak, Snap, other package systems. Oh, hello. Sorry guys, I've got to get on the boat. I didn't want to ruin it for you, but, you know, needs must. Needs must. Let's go. Am I going to get round without crashing? I think I am. Let's go. Such a cool game. It doesn't look so fast up here. It looks quite fast down here. I'm in the process of different ways of installing stuff. Seems to be lots of ways to get lots of I don't think I've damaged that. Lots of ways to get what you need program wise, and I don't tell anybody, but I am doing a video on that, Smitty. It's on my list. Oh, I didn't bring my torch, did I? Pretty much covers it. My video is going to be longer than that though. I've got most of the script down. I just need to actually do it. What I learned today is you can build your own repository. You could basically download the whole of the Fedora repository and run it all offline, like air gapped. And then all you would need to do. Wait, what? Can they come in here? Oh, they can. I didn't know they could come in there. When it's online, people can call it. I know, right? It's crazy. Oh no, look what happened to my boat. My boat, look. Psych. No worries, Smitty. Stay safe, dude. I don't want to fight you in here because I haven't got any light, so I can't actually see what's going on. I'm likely to die. Okay, I didn't die. We're good. I didn't die. I can hear another one. I don't like getting here. With that light. Anyway, I'm going to go back and make a light. Screw it. Have I got a spare one on me? I might have one in the boat. No, I don't. Okay, well, we're going to head back. Don't tell anybody, but I may have beached the boat. Oh no, we broke free.
The ship's under your hand, Captain.
Thank you very much. Good work, men.
Wake the guns. Open fire. Open fire. Broadside.
No women. I know. Terrible, isn't it? They're at home making sandwiches, Strawberry Kitten. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. Don't hate me. How you doing? Good to see you. Well, I don't want to beat shit this time, do I? Where's my base? Where's my base gone? Is it over there? Yeah, it's over there. Sure, getting historically there were plenty, but they were a rarer sight. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's my boat. I mean, there's my base. Right, I'm going to slow down. Oh, look at that. Like a boss. How you doing anyway, Strawberry Kitten? Good to see you. How's your Sunday doing? Should we get some more food? Have I actually got any bullets in my gun? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm going to die. I know I am. I'm going to die. I might be right now. Oh, oh, if you hit me then I would have died. That was more luck than... Oh, hang on, he's still alive. Wait, what? Oh, I see why you like this game now. My Ubuntu 26.04 beta broke, KDE. I'm on Mint now. Performance in games is so bad. What are you running? What graphics card are you running? As a Brit, I too get an overwhelming urge to colonise things when I get on a boat. Oh dear. What was I doing? I was getting a torch, wasn't I? So we'll put these... this iron we're going to stick in the old... not iron, copper. We'll stick that in there. Oh, you shouldn't be having any problems then. Don't know then, I'm not sure. Yeah, that should fly. I don't know why that is then. You should build a Fedora using my script, Strawberry Kitten. Just for the fun, you know. But do it at your own risk. I'm not taking any responsibility. It's an MIT license, so can't sue me. Hey, cat girls, welcome on back. Good to see you again. I mean, it's fine for games. You got something wrong in your system, isn't playing games properly. I think that is one of the challenges with Linux, is that just different systems it runs differently on. And it's so easy to set things up differently on the different systems. It's bizarre. I need to refill this torch, don't I? So we refill that. Oh my god, I've not got enough. Are you kidding me? Wait, what? I thought I had loads of animal fat. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's empty as well. Wait, they both look the same. No, they're different. Right, okay. What about you? I'm going to have to go and kill some animals then. We'll go and do the birdies, I guess. I will wait for them to unbreak Kubuntu and switch back. Ah, okay. Mesa 26 update might actually do you a lot of good then. Oh, that's a good point actually. Yeah, what kernel are you on? That's going to be 6.14, right? Is it still 6.14 for Mint? I'm guessing it's going to be the same for Kubuntu though, isn't it? It's going to be the same kernel, surely. I have a 7950X3D and a 7900 XTX on Fedora 43 GNOME. Games run great. Just make sure you use Steam launch command, game mode run command, so the game's usual will be freely cache. Wine CPU topology, and I manually disable split lock detection stuff. 612 I think is LTS. That is about to go out of support in a year. Okay, so you've upgraded it then, have you? Or you're using a non-stable? Yes, we're in transition at the moment. Right, okay, cool. I need animal fat, so I've got to kill some of these babies. Didn't get any animal fat from that, did I? Chris, hello, welcome on in. Let's go. Another member in the house. Oh, hang on, there's some meat over there. And some eggs. Bacon and eggs, let's go. How did you go? How did it go with the install script? All good now, or still some issues? So I had some issues with using... So it works. So I've established that the actual install script works really well. And I think there are still some duplicates that I need to get rid of. But it doesn't seem to work with curl at the moment, so I'm going to need to explore that a bit, I think. Work out what's going on. Oh, hello. It's been good here, but it's getting late. Time to head off today. We'll catch you next time. Thanks, Veljo. Appreciate you. Kubuntu runs flawlessly, even 24.04, so I guess it's Cinnamon, their window manager. Cinnamon is X11 still, though, isn't it? Whereas Kubuntu is KDE. That doesn't make sense to me. You can run 6.17 and standard Mint 6.8. Okay. Strawberry Kitten, do you have a multi-monitor? Are they mismatched? Single monitor. That's good to hear. Did you notice any difference with the cache kernel? I can't say that I have noticed any difference, to be honest. But I think I'll notice it more if I change back. If I'm going to notice it, I will notice it more when I change back. Which I'm going to do as soon as Fedora 44 drops. I'm going to switch back to the using my words, the Fedora kernel, and it'll be at that point I'll see whether... Oh, he's a big boy, that one. He's a big boy. Have I got any other food? I can have a banana, I suppose. I can have a banana. Yeah, that helps. So we'll do that. There he is. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. That hurt a lot. I'm going to die. Got him. Ooh. Retro says, I need to get on your self-building script train. I have 9 different PCs in my house and I like to try different distros on them randomly. It would be nice to have a CachyOS script to run after install. So yeah, go onto my GitHub. There's some stuff on there, dude. You might find it useful. As I always say, use at own risk, but I've got one for OpenSUSE, one for Arch, one for Fedora KDE, one for Fedora Cinnamon, one for Fedora KDE with CachyOS, Cachy Kernel. Oh yeah, all learn Nix. Nix is another one, but yeah, I don't know. I like to mess around too much. Piers says he's running Mint 22.3 now. Kernel is 6.8. I installed 2 days ago and got. Well, that's interesting. Is there like different ones that you can download then for Mint? If I go like that, go like that, and go like that, and then go like that, and then go like that, and minimize that, and then do that, and go to Mint. Isn't there like, I thought there was, you could choose different ones. So it's recommending Xena. But I'm pretty sure there's other ones, aren't there? Other versions, here we go, all versions. Oh, I've lost the chat now. We'll bring, where's the chat gone? Oh, it's there. So I'll bring you over to here. There we go, see the chat now. 23. So what one have I got then? Cat girls, every disco, yeah, let's go. Every distro is fine to game on mostly, yeah, absolutely. It's just a case of different, as I said before, and as others have said, it's you're just in a different starting place. You know it, MZ, you know it. I did that earlier. 6.14. So how have you managed to get 617 then? Is it upgrade for this one, isn't it? Upgrade. Yeah, you go. Yeah, 617. Oh no, error. Oh. Wait, what? I forget, there's 2 different commands on Debian, isn't it? Yeah, thanks, Strawberry Kitten. Yeah, update and upgrade are the same. Hey, Gem Pie, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you again. Have one of those. Piers just says, I just checked my other laptop, which I reinstalled Mint onto, and it's using 6.17. The laptop is still on 6.8. 6.18. Oh, wait, 6.8. Hey, what? How can it be 6.8? What are you talking about? I'm guessing 6.08. Well, how does that work? Oh, of course, yeah. It's not like that, is it? Oh, sorry, my brain. You get used to my brain, promise you. There is something quite therapeutic about watching a system update or a system install, isn't there? Don't you think? Who's seen my intro video? Should I run my intro video? I'm going to run my intro video whilst I go for a poo. Poo? Pee. I'm going to go for a pee, not poo. Be right back. Hopefully this works. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? There you go.
This is me, Linux Gamer Live.
You gotta love a bit of AI slop to like make the real stuff sound good, don't you? Appreciate the real stuff. Yeah, version numbers aren't maths. You know it. Well, hang on, let's minimize that one. Yeah, wait, what? Oh no, reboot. Reboot. I love the Pac-Man one. Woke up, saw some news about California laws that want to put age verification on Linux operating system. Yeah, I know, I've seen that as well. It's somewhere else as well. Smitty was talking about it in Discord. Yeah, that'd be interesting to see how they do that. I believe that used to be true, but Mint 22 took 3 years to get out. Oh, okay. Didn't know that you had angelic pipes like that, mate. Yeah, that wasn't me. That was Suno. They can certainly try it. I'm sure someone will be willing to do the software make, but good luck and getting adoption. I know, right? Well, the thing is, System 70, whatever they're called, are looking to do it. And you'll know that Microsoft will do it, and you know that Apple will do it. So yeah, Going to be interesting times for sure. Oh, no, I didn't want to do that. Why am I doing that? I wanted to do that. There we go. Did I install fast fetch? I didn't. Is it neo fetch? There we go. Yeah, run neo fetch and let us know what's on the what you get out of it. I think neo fetch is already installed, isn't it, on Debian based systems? I can't remember which one it is it? That one. Well, that's weird then. You need to do update, and then once it's finished updating, you need to do upgrade. It's two separate things on Debian based systems. Right, I still need more animal fat because I've only got one. Oh wait, what? Uh-oh, there's two. There's two. I don't want to fight two. I really don't want to fight two. We're going to fight one. Okay, we've got that one. Nice. Ooh, shiny. Don't mind if I do. Ooh, these eggs. Wait, what? Oh, it's a dodo nest. Okay, that makes sense now. I'm not getting any animal fat from here though, am I? Don't do it. Oh, welcome back, dude. Mama Dodo, she be mad. Oh, I need to eat now. Banana milk and bananas. Does that not just sound like the most perfect of perfectness? Oh, oh, oh! I'm gonna get killed by baby dodos. Not today, baby dodos. Not today. Right, so this is 1 of 2, so there must be something else here that I'm missing. So you can see up on the map there, top right hand corner, it says 1 of 2. That means there's something else here that I can actually loot. So I reckon it's going to be up there. And let's grab that egg. Oh, here it is. Is that it? Nope, that's not it. Where is it then? Oh, it's through here. Ooh. This is why I just use rolling release and not have to worry about backports. Genpai, now he's going to have to light Dodo for lunch. Oh yeah, light Dodo lunch, definitely. Please say, is the Linux Mint on that machine the new 22.3 install, or did you upgrade from an older version? Maybe that's the reason why. Smitty says, I'm going to be picking up a Zero Linux tonight, tossing it on an old PC. Nice! I'm scared. Oh, it's too far away. Too far away. Got him. Oh, okay. Oh, let's go. So basically you go around and you get blueprints, look. So I just got some more blueprints. I got woven pillars and beams and food preparations. Bowls, basket of peppers, tray of herbs. Nice. When in doubt, send the pirate penguin out. Ayar, ayar, ayar. Aye, aye, Captain. That's what I was meant to say. I mean, aye, aye, Captain. That's what I was meant to say. Right, learn that one. Learn that one. There we go. Right, okay. Let's get out of here. I can't see what's over here. Oh, I can now. Genpai, Assassin's Creed Black Flag is still... I've not played it. I've not played it. So yeah. But I've heard many say the same. But I'm full up, so I need to get rid of some stuff. What should I get rid of? There's nothing. I've got 22 minutes. We're going back home. We're going to have bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs for lunch. Yes, this laptop is upgraded 6.8. My old laptop was a fresh 6.7 yesterday. Ah, okay. So you just saw what I did there, Piers, right? I was on 6.8 on my VM. I did sudo apt upgrade. And then sorry, no, that failed. I did sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade once that finished. And we were golden. But we are going to go back first and empty ourselves of stuff. So what other games do you guys play then? Tell me that. What games are you like? I mean, we've had Baldur's Gate mentioned. We've had Division 1. Awesome. Love that. Love that. What other ones? The groaning of the boat is so good. Such a simple sound, but it just sounds awesome. Warframe. Yeah, I played Warframe. I dip in it now and then. In fact, one of my earlier videos has got Warframe as the background. Let's cook up all of these bacon and eggs. Oh, look at all this stuff we've got. Free. Done. Spicy bread kebab. Let's do it. Coconut milk. Do it. Haven't got room for it, have I? We're going to go like that. Deposit similar. Deposit similar. I need that lamp back though. Because I need to fill it up, don't I? How much actual animal fat do we need to fill it up? Oh, more than I've got. I need 3 animal fat to fill that up. I do love this track. Right, so we need a food. Oh, that I will stick the food in there for now. Why not? We can make more bacon and eggs though. Bananas, you can go in there. I'll pop you in there. We can pop you in there. You in there. You in there. We'll grab. See if there's any pearls in that. Nope, there wasn't. Oh, there was one pearl in there. Pearls go over here. So I've got them. Currently playing the DLCs of Graveyard Keeper. Black Flag is great. I might have to look at it. It's normally on offer, isn't it? I see you have a link to Proton VPN. How easy was that to get up and running? I can't get PIA. Very easy. I think I'm using the see if I can do that. If I remember rightly, I can't see what you're seeing. Hang on. If I remember rightly, it's Flatpak. Proton VPN. Zero Linux ThinkPad on Zero Cosmic updating. Nice. I keep it because it's running a version of Zero that shall never be ever. Cool, cool. What I might do is I might take your new ISO, install it, remove KDE, and stick on Cinnamon. Ha! What are you going to do about that? There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do about it, Zero Linux. Major Bank needs to get back into Monster Hunter Wilds. Before the G rank X-Pack. I've never played that actually. I've never played Monster Hunter. My upgraded Mint 22.3 gaming PC is still running 6.82. I'll run a sudo update and upgrade on my machines. You'll run it or you will run it. It's your system. You can do whatever what you want. Who am I to stop you? I ain't no pirate. That's the correct answer, Zero Linux. That's the whole point of Linux, isn't it? There we go. So I need to switch back to there now. I need to set that up as a button. Right. So we're okay. We're okay. Right. We want to go back there now, don't we? Imagine if you could actually parlay. Yeah. Parlay. It's yours. Yeah, yeah. Right. I wonder if I can go. I want to go back and finish that. Wait. Hang on. Can I get rid of that? How do I delete it? Ah, there we go. So we got that bit there to do. So we're going to go over to the left up there. Guidelines, not rules. 100%. It's going to be night time soon. Why am I struggling so much to get freaking animal fat? I suppose I need to kill the boars. That kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Or is it telling me I need to place a bonfire here? Is that what it's doing? Oh, I wonder. Oh, I can't do that one. I'm wondering, should I play? Should I give? I don't know if I'd like Monster Hunter Wild. You know. What am I supposed to do here then? Oh. It's just there. I've already read that. I can't do anything then. Oh well. Do I have to destroy it? Nope. Don't have to destroy it. I don't know how to get that from 0 to 1. It's a pretty game though, isn't it? You got to admit. Play Black Flag. Arr. I'd have to check to see if it's on sale or something.
Helm's yours, Captain.
I'll have to look to see how much it is. It's going to be on offer, surely. That's pretty cool, isn't it? We've only got a little map though. Is that the edge of the map there already? No. Oh, there's another island over there, look.
To the guns, you dogs! Fire!
Yeah?
Open fire! Fire! No!
Oh, they do go back. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to check it out in a minute.
Open fire! Open fire!
It's pretty cool. Got him. But what you can do is do that and then oh, where's my base? Did I not build one? Oh no! I know what I've done now. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Because I put that bonfire down, it took away my spawn.
Captain at the helm!
Captain at the helm! Oi, oi, Captain! Got to turn around. Go on. I mean, that's not looking bad on the stream, is it? It should be pretty good quality, actually. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, what? Oh, there we go. You have to be on the boat and then you can fast travel. There you go. That's what I was trying to do. That's what I want to do is build this out to there. Cool, cool. Right, let's exit out of that. Quit that game. Going to go back to here and we're going to go like that. Minimize that. Open up that. And going to go onto UBConnect. Just going to make sure it doesn't dox me. Where's OBS gone? There. Just check in. Hang on. Just check in. Bear with. I need to change the music as well, don't I? Go to saved, go to new stream list, we'll do that. Oh, we'll start on that one. Yeah, we'll start with that one. A little bit of doxing never hurt anyone, I know, right? Where are we going? We're going to here. No, we're good. Yeah, I'm going to shit. I've got 30 games apparently. Surprised I haven't got it. Where are we going? We're going to go to... there is a bug where on KDE where on some screens when I try and do the swap screen thing, I'll show you. If I do that, no, if I do that, when I press Windows G, it does that, yeah. But then sometimes when I do it, it doesn't work, and now it is working. So look, so I'm level 45, which isn't particularly high, but if you have a look, I've been on Ubisoft for 23 years. Might be older than some of you in the chat. It says I've got 30 games, but got some beta ones there. Skull and Bones. Should we do Skull and Bones? Got Mirage. Searching my games. Ass. I typed in ass and that's what came up. Go to store. And then black. Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. Nah, 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 nah. I haven't heard that, no. Have you heard of the jokes? Ubisoft is what my wife said to me on our wedding night. My Steam account, you can drink here in America too. What of it? Wait, what? Have I missed something there? That's too much for... I know, right? All I would do there is go and get it on... what used to be... It's loaded now, isn't it? It used to be CD keys. How much is it on loaded then? Loaded keys. Go decline. Black flag. £7.19. Oh, I see. Right, gotcha. It's a good game, so they must be milking it. Yeah, they will do, won't they? You can get the... Oh, wait, what? That's Xbox version. I don't want that. Yeah, even there it's $32.99. Black Fag. That's a season pass. Jesus. $32.99. That's mental. You get £1 off just for getting it through there. I think I've got Blacklist. I don't know, is it Black Site? Sorry, Blacklist. There you go. I've got that. Ghost Recon is very good. Breakpoint and Wildlands. I really enjoy those. Obviously, we've got the Division there. So yeah. Right. Ark Raiders, Pal World. See, all the games I've been playing. Sticks was quite fun, wasn't it? Hubert. It's a dog. You were basically a doggo. Machina. That's quite nice. I haven't played the Precinct yet. I need to play that. We also need to play Roadcraft. Right, okay. I think I am about done for this evening. It's been a good weekend. Got a lot done. So I'm going to pop that screen on. And I'm going to say thank you so much to everybody who's been hanging out tonight. Thank you to all the members who've been hanging out and chatting. Appreciate it. And to all the non-members. It's awesome to have you as well. And all the new people that have come in and said stuff. Like Piers. Thank you, Piers. We're just going to do a quick check on the scores. Who was the top person today? If I can work out how to do that, I will do it. Bear with. I need to go like that. Restore chat. Top fans. Here we go. Here's the top 10 for this evening. Cat Girls in 10th place. Veal in 9th. Hayden in 8th. Smitty in 7th. Well, you had a break, didn't you, Smitty? Frank in 6th place. Ahud in 5th. Val Joe in 4th. MZ in 3rd. Zero Linux in 2nd. And in 1st place, it's Moji Baked. Thank you so much, everybody. I will see you on the next one. That's not how I finish it, is it? That's not how I finish these videos and these streams. I've got to do it properly. I've got to keep consistent, right? If you've made it this far on the stream, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that like button. It really does make a difference. Oh, you did pay to win. Yeah, of course. Oh, it doesn't tell me that. It doesn't tell me those things. Like, it doesn't give me a list of who's done what. That's terrible. It's relying on me to remember my remembering. Oh, fan funding. Oh, there we go. I can do it. I can do it. It is there. I can do it. Thank you so much, Zero Linux, for the $2. The way things are, you are my Padawan soon, Master. No, I don't think so. Oh, I need to click like on that. There we go. Oh, I can't click like. Okay. Click love. Yeah, there we go. And Mojibate, this wouldn't have happened with BSD. Thank you so much for the 2 quids. 2 quids. 2 quids. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Awesome. As I say, if you made it this far, don't forget, hit that like button. Thank you so much. It really does make a difference. I do like doing these streams. So and that's because you lot turn up. So thank you. Thank you, Retro. Thank you, Piers. Thank you, everybody. If you're watching this after the fact, as in like you're watching it as a video, as the stream's ended, you are awesome too. And if you've made it this far, then you're just crazy. But I do appreciate it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye. And that's not how pirate sounds, is it? Bye bye. Bye bye, everybody.